Hi, this is the overview for the thematic unit for Mathematics Domain, Geometry. My name is Tina Thompson. Welcome to Weebly. Throughout this page, you will discover a teacher introduction page, which will give you a little information about myself. I am an intervention specialist, mild to moderate, currently teaching students with moderate to intensive learning abilities. Also on this page, you will discover the lessons that go with the thematic unit of geometry. We spent the month of February discovering the coordinate plane. Ohio Academic Content Standards will be or are listed here. They are the extended standard. The E is for the extended standard, which is for students with significant cognitive disabilities. Next on this web page, you will discover other things for the thematic unit, the standards, ISTE, so that we can take a look at the technology that both students and teachers should implement as this unit is created. These are the things that you will see within the unit. First lesson, Lesson 1, Introduction to the Coordinate Plane. Here the students basically discovered the coordinate plane, learned about the two lines, horizontal and vertical, as well as the ordered pairs. Here you see students giving it a try by placing stickers at the correct coordinate pair. Next lesson, ordered pairs. The ordered pairs lesson, you'll actually again witness the students working with ordered pairs X and Y. And below I have a couple of websites with links that you will right click and open in a new window to see how they locate aliens at different ordered pairs, and they have to, on this one, feed the bug at different ordered pairs. And so the food is located here at the ordered pair -5 and 3. Once the student gets the bug here, they feed it and it moves to the next one. The next lesson that the students engaged in were 3D shapes on a coordinate plane. Here you see students standing actually on the floor. I have tape with X and Y coordinates, and they're standing here at the ordered pairs and creating shapes. Here we have a triangle. With this lesson as an enrichment activity, Learn Zillion gave them plenty of opportunity to independently discover how to use the coordinate plane and shows them how to create a square and other polygons. Another lesson that you will see as you go through the thematic unit are 2D and 3D shapes. These are shapes that the students created themselves. We have here on the table cubes as well as cylinders, and there's a few rectangular pyramids that the students used in creating 2D and 3D shapes. Lesson 5 talks about nets. Here again, students used and created nets. Open them up to discover how, when folding them, what 3D shape would they become. The last and final lesson for the domain of geometry that we discovered were triangles. Here you can see students creating triangles on their graphs on whiteboards with ordered pairs they were given, and it should have correctly formed a geometrical figure, triangle specifically. Pre and post assessment data. This format is what the students use for alternate assessment, which we are currently doing at this time. Their question format gives them the question. We read the script. Here is a triangle. Show me which is the same as this triangle. And these things are laid before the student, and they are to then select the correct answer. So we will look at assessments, both pre and post, using Quizlet, as well as other technology to implement for this lesson. Speaking of which, technology is another area that you will see on this website. Weebly is where I started to create the website. Screencast-O-Matic, I'll put a plug in here for Screencast-O-Matic. And here are some of the websites that are used: IXL, BrainPop, Socrative for pre and post, and exit tickets, and of course Smart Exchange, where a lot of lessons come from that I adapted. Finally, the peer review for peers to give me some pros and grows or some positives and deltas of things they think that I should change. Implementation and reflection will be the last portion of this webpage. So thank you. I hope you enjoyed this thematic unit, and I will definitely reflect upon all positive critiques that I may improve.